Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can change your bio on Discord mobile. So first of all, you will need to open the profile settings page by tapping into your avatar at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then go for the user profile category, and in here at the About Me field, just type in whatever bio you want to have. And save the changes. And now if some other user will open your Discord profile, he or she will see that exact bio. So let me show it to you real quick. So as you can see at the About Me section of my Discord profile, that's what will be displayed. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.